Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need an up-to-date Mac OS and an admin password. Once ready, download Chrome. Open the DMG and drag Chrome to Applications. This installs the app system-wide. If Mac OS warns it's from the web, go to System Settings, Security and Privacy and click Open anyway. Make sure you move the app, not run it from the mounted image. Once done, launch Chrome from Applications or the dock so you can continue setup and avoid running out of the temporary installer. You should sign into Chrome to sync data across devices. This saves bookmarks, passwords, and history to your account. Once signed in, open Settings and choose Sync to select what you want, toggle passwords, extensions, and autofill individually. Next, visit the Chrome Web Store to add extensions you need. Make sure to review each extension's permissions before installing. Also, customize appearance and startup behavior so Chrome opens the pages or apps you use most, which speeds up your workflow immediately. Pin Chrome to the dock and set it as your default browser in System Settings so links always open in Chrome. Configure startup pages and enable automatic updates to keep Chrome secure. If Chrome runs slowly or crashes, first disable all extensions and restart the browser. Make sure you can reproduce the issue. If problems persist, clear browsing data, cache and cookies, and, as a final step, uninstall and reinstall Chrome. If reinstalling, sign back in to restore.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.